After nearly 30 years, Nike Basketball revives the Air Foamposite Pro Voltage, originally released in 1997, marking one of the most anticipated retro returns. This iconic pair features bold neon yellow voltage accents and a jet black Foamposite shell, setting it apart with a standout swoosh on the upper. Returning in early 2026, the sneaker stays faithful to its OG design, featuring black nubuck overlays, smoked translucent outsoles, and glow-like branding on the tongue and heel. This reissue follows hot on the heels of classics like the Anthracite and Eggplant, and builds anticipation for the rumored comeback of the Galaxy Foamposite One. A release date hasn't been confirmed yet, but the retro's drop will channel strong 90s nostalgia. Expect a launch via Nike.com, with more updates soon as Nike digs into its legendary basketball archives for this iconic colorway.